Okay guys, I electrified my coffee grinder. I think it's gonna work. All it is a substitute for the coffee grinder. So basically, as you all know, the coffee grinder sits right there. I was trying to think of a way that I could electrify that. And so what I did was I bought this Dayton gear reduction drive, permanent magnet motor. It's all metal. All the gears are metal. And it's actually pretty strong. Mounted that on top of my wheel well and connected it to my shaft that goes to my coffee grinder mechanism, gear retraction mechanism. So here we go. So it's not going to be a substitute for, of course, the linear actuator that they sell, where you can actually get in the airplane with the nose down. I won't be able to do that. So basically all that does is substitute the coffee grinder. So instead of having to crank on it, I can just flick a switch